guys? Today we are going to be doing the random feeding each other random foods. Bleh, I messed that up. Feeding each other random food challenge.
Ow.
So basically,
We're doing
just listen to the name. It's we feed each other random foods, and you have to try to guess what it is. I just stepped in a squatto. Ew. Anyways, let's get. Dominic is our first contestant. Brady, I can't see you over here. Get over here.
Weighing exactly 85 pounds, 5'57" inches tall.
5'57" inches tall.
I'm taller than him though. Yeah, he's
I'm
like
taller than
57.
both of you.
At the age of 11 years old, birthday September something.
There are these stupid
2014.
bugs No, wait, show the stupid bugs. Look, there's one right there.
There's so many bugs.
One right there. There's one right
He
there.
enjoys
Oh,
spicy.
what kind of bugs are those?
He enjoys spicy and sour
There's one
food,
right there.
and he does not like cheese.
One right
I'm
just went
so
right.
scared of him.
There's one right by my ear. Here, I need to turn the porch light on so we can like go somewhere else.
And he loves potatoes.
Hold on. By the way, we're recording this on the GoPro. Comment down below if you like GoPros or the GoPro videos, or you just want us to stick with the normal videos. It's fine either way. You, my friend. How is he not dying? Well, anyways, come here. I'm gonna spray y'all.
Alright, it's my turn to introduce myself.
No, please.
I'm spraying
Ew!
on you.
Ew,
I'm
that's
spraying
disgusting.
on Noah.
Stop. Stop.
I'm about to introduce myself, guys.
Okay, go.
Listen up to this. Hey.
And by the way, if there's a date on here, it's wrong.
Hey.
I don't know
Hey.
how to fix it.
Hey, here we go.
Ow.
Cringe meter over
Over
9,000. My name's Brady. I'm a nerd. I'm a geek. Come on, let's go together. Take my hand. Let's go take a peek. Yeah, you know I
Brady likes
like
taking
to
a peek.
rhyme because you know I like the chime.
Okay,
So
we're done.
I am very fat and I don't like to be muscular because that is really weird. And you don't want to be flexing on these women like
me.
like him.
You guys.
Okay, that rap was really stupid.
All right, introduce yourself.
My name's Brady. I like video games.
My name's Nanny.
I'm a
I
geek.
got great.
My computer's about to explode
I remember
because I have way too many apps on it. I'm a geek because I'm obsessed with computers and I'm obsessed with technology.
My name's Nanny.
I
got a grade.
I'm weak and I'm a baseball. And that's all you need to know about me. Oh, and my hair is pretty much as disgusting as bird poop.
And my
mixed
toenails.
with my grandma's socks mixed with Dominic's toenails and a little
Interesting.
bit of eye contacts.
So
That's an eye contact solution. Mix it all together, throw in a bird's nest,
and then,
and then you get my hair.
Me too.
That's my life.
Okay. Then there's me, Noah.
That's enough.
That's all I have to say for my name. My name is Noah. My birthday was yesterday. Hey.
My name was Nana.
Hey,
I got
I'm
grade.
four-
I'm not giving up
I'm
today.
14.
My name's Granny.
I got grade.
I'm old
That's
and
all
I
you
got
need to know.
gray hair.
Okay, Brady,
But
grab
I
the first.
remember when trees were everywhere and no one had to.
Okay, grab the first food. Let's go. Come on.
I got gray hair. I remember when Yubs was it? I remember when subs were everywhere. So come, give us
Remember, subs are already still everywhere.
You should
We played
Yeah, speaking of which, guys, 43 subs, that's pretty good. 43. That's pretty good. In 1 minute, we went up 2 subscribers. I know, that's...
We'll see if we can go 3
That sounds
subscribers.
so weird, because, like...
We'll see if we can go.
And then there's, like, Jake Paul and Logan Paul, like, in 1 minute, I just went up 15,000 subs.
Literally.
Or, like, we went up 2 subs in 1 minute. It was awesome, because, like, I was on our channel just looking, I was seeing our subscriber count as usual, and I was like, oh, 41 subs. Then I went out and I watched a video that was, like, a minute long or something. And then I came back, and it was already,
Brady's wet, bro.
53. All my Nerf guns are getting soaked. Brady, how could you
Brady's
do
holding
this?
something. It's wet and heavy and bloody.
Alright, ready? Dominic, stay over here. I have to see what it is.
Close your eyes. It's heavy. Oh, I dropped one.
It's a goldfish.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
It's a goldfish. I knew it. Put it in your mouth, buddy.
Alright, take 2.
No joke, there's one on your back. Give me the
No,
camera.
there's.
Give me the camera. No joke, there's one on. Oh, it's off. It's off. No, dude, it's off. It's off.
I don't care. I don't know how well you can see me.
Turn it on my back. Turn it on my back. Turn on. This one's light.
Ooh, you're gonna like this.
Okay, close
Here,
your
wait.
It's very light. Open your
I
mouth.
smell barbecue.
Can't see. Here, move over here. I can't see it.
Bacon bits.
Yeah, it is bacon.
Yay!
Who's
Ding!
next? Me?
Me and Noah.
No,
Get to
I.
pick one for you.
Yeah, me and Dominic get to pick one for you. All right, let's go, Dominic. What?
What are you doing?
We're doing a feed each other random things challenge.
Oh my god, it's so dumb. Just go
Here.
outside.
We're recording.
Close that box.
We're recording. Thanks. Thanks for this thing.
Wait, make sure you push that. Okay.
Oh, is he looking? I think he was looking. You were looking, weren't you?
No, I wasn't. Swear to God, I was sitting there and trying to get away from these bugs.
All right, so the camera, you already know what it is.
Okay, close Brady's eyes. Brady, don't open them.
Okay.
No, sit right here. This is the contestant's chair.
No, because they're
Is it something I'm not gonna like?
No, you're gonna like it.
Is it spicy?
No.
We can't tell you.
Oh yeah, we can't tell you that.
It's a solid though.
I'm scared.
Open your
I don't
mouth.
trust you guys.
Open your mouth.
That's his pinky. That's his
my
pinky.
finger. Okay, now we'll put the real thing.
Here,
Open.
you have to tip your. You have to tip
your head back.
Head back a little bit.
Open.
Open wider.
Why are you spitting it? I love
Holy crap, Dominic! Dominic, I didn't know you were gonna do that.
I love it.
Did you taste it? Did you taste it though?
I hate Rice Krispie treats.
Oh, you do?
Rice Krispie cereal.
You do?
I
Dude, you shoved that down his throat, bro.
just choked on a little bit of that.
Yeah, no duh.
I know. I swear.
I didn't know you were gonna do that.
I don't trust you guys anymore. I'm not doing.
There's so many bugs on the floor.
Wait, now we need to find one.
No, Brady, you're still doing it. We swear we're not gonna do that anymore.
Brady, I didn't know how hard it was. I thought you were gonna close your
Okay,
mouth.
we thought you were gonna close your mouth.
Now we need to find one for Noah.
No, I'm not doing it because I have my teeth in. Invisalign. Get an
You
excuse out of everything.
you are cheating.
It's my turn now.
Yep.
It's totally
Here,
fair.
Brady, let's go.
Pepper? No, he's not gonna eat pepper. No, ground pepper. No.
We need all that stuff too, by
I have a clue. I have an idea.
This, but we have to tell him that he has to suck it off our finger.
You know it's not actual frosting. You have to like make the frosting. It's not just frosting.
Oh.
All right, guys.
Well, we're having
have a good idea.
garlic powder.
No.
He said he was
honey.
gonna do that with you. No,
spoon.
no,
Make a mess
no,
on the
no,
floor.
no, honey, no, honey,
Don't do
no,
it. Don't do it.
no.
Crisp rice.
Just a tad bit of garlic. Here, get
No,
a spoon.
he's not. I don't want to give him garlic salt. He's not gonna trust me.
Yes, he will.
He's not gonna trust me. All right, let's go.
All right, there we go.
Using something good for you.
Don't let him freak out.
I might
It's
be.
nothing
I
bad.
might be tricking you.
So it's a sauce?
No, it's not a sauce.
Is it a liquid?
We can't tell you. But
I'm
it's not.
standing.
It's not bad. It's not. You're not freaking out.
Am I gonna throw up? Brady, Brady,
No, you're not gonna.
don't
throw
get me
up.
back by shoving the spoon up down my throat.
No, you're not gonna throw up. I swear to God. I swear to God, you're not gonna throw up.
He gave me salt or garlic powder or something.
He gave you garlic powder.
He was gonna give you garlic salt.
I
was
a
like,
combination of
dude.
both.
Don't give him garlic salt.
I would vomit.
You know what I was gonna give you? I was gonna give you a spoonful of honey.
I hate honey too.
Well, you should.
Here, keep this out here. You record. I'll get these.
All right, Noah, don't get something poisonous.
So a spoon.
Yes, I just do the spoon. All right, guys. While we're out here, let's entertain you guys with
Peeing.
no
Brady,
the
I'm peeing. Brady, let me pee. with Dominic peeing. Dominic, I don't think you have any pee left in your bladder.
I will.
All right. Let's entertain you guys with some random pictures
Oh, Donald Trump.
that are on my computer. We're gonna browse through random pictures
Brady, are you sure you want to do this?
on my computer. I'm sure I want to do this.
Brady.
So we're going into files. We're gonna go to
That.
where's pictures? There you go. Pictures right there. Okay, let's see. So we got
Brady, me. Click on the one of me.
okay, oh yeah, there's Dominic's
2017.
face. Let's see. What else do we have? We have Asgore. We have Bowser.
I know.
We have
Okay, now this is a liquid.
Baldy,
No,
Victor.
it's not. It's in your hand. It's
It's a
not.
liquid.
Brady, go check if that's a liquid.
It might be a liquid.
Right
We have
here.
Brady,
a
go look.
random photo. We
Alright,
have
come on,
Undertale
Brady.
things. All right, so here is what it is. All right, yes, it is a liquid.
Brady, will I throw up?
What is it? I don't even know what
Will I
it is.
gag?
What is it?
Will
Oh.
I gag or throw up?
Maybe not.
It's
Here.
coffee.
Dude,
Cover
trust
cover
me.
his eyes, cover
Is
his
it
eyes.
Trust me.
Just
Trust
trust
me.
us.
Just
No,
dude.
Dominic,
just,
you have to
it's-
trust
you're-
us.
I don't trust you.
No,
You
Dominic,
might.
you have
You might
to.
cough. You might. It
No,
might.
It's cinnamon.
No, it's not. It's a liquid.
No, it's not cinnamon. It's a
Dominic,
liquid.
trust me.
Dude,
You've
just
had this
trust
many
us.
times in your life.
You've had this multiple
It's
billions
vinegar.
of
I
times
love
in your
it.
life.
No, it's not.
Open your mouth. Dude, just trust us. Give him the
It's a
spoon.
spoon.
Yeah. If you answered water, you were right.
If you answered water, you were right.
Okay,
You
guys
were right.
go
Me-
inside and get something for me, but
with
please
my
don't-
ruler.
Okay,
No, I'm
don't
taking the
poison
camera
me.
this time.
Please don't use Rice Krispies treat. Noah, you know me good enough. Don't give me something disgusting, please. Brady, I almost vomited. I thought it was sour.
No, it's something edible, of course. So we got a tomato with a little bit what's on that? No, what's on it? What? Mayonnaise. Okay. Brady hates mayonnaise. Good.
Noah, look at the bugs on my computer. Look at how many bugs are on my computer.
On the front or the back?
Let
me see.
Holy crap.
I got text my wife.
What is that?
Oh, that's he wouldn't throw it.
All right, here, hold the camera. Dominic, hold the camera.
1 second.
Sensitive. Okay, it's off.
Reading your text.
1 second.
Now go away, bugs. Go away. Because look at them all. Oh. Are you gonna feed me a bug? No.
It's something
Are you,
edible.
Dominic? Are you Noah? Are you
Yeah.
sure?
You
I
won't
gag?
throw up
You
because
know
I
me,
like
I have
this.
a very weak.
immune
Not
system.
good.
Immune
And Brady,
system.
you will
And you
throw
have
up.
to trust us, Brady. This is YouTube.
Okay, as he has the.
Here, in
Dang,
the
black
light, in the
screen,
light.
boys.
There.
Brady, you won't throw up.
Is it a liquid?
No. It's not a liquid. It's just in a
Open your
spoon.
mouth.
Open.
Open. It's on a spoon.
Close.
No, it's...
What is that? Don't throw it up.
Is that a tomato?
Yes.
Broccoli. No, Brady, it was broccoli. It was a little piece, and it scared me because I was so scared of those bugs. I thought you put a bug in my mouth. I was like,
Well, it was a tomato with mayonnaise on it.
I hate mayonnaise.
All right, Dominic, it's your turn.
Of all of the physiological as well as psychological aspects,
No.
of
Grabbing
the
cheese.
non-duration exploration and
Giving them space is vital. The first floor is the work area. And then the elevator to the second floor takes you to the living area.
I'm so hyped to see this, guys.
No,
What is it?
what is? What are you gonna tell me?
Ooh.
Here, record.
It's Gucci. I love this stuff. It used to be my favorite food. Dude, you're gonna like it, most likely. Actually, wait. I forgot that he only likes a certain type of cheese.
Oh, you didn't tell me that. That was cheese.
Looks like cheese got him gagging.
Okay, I guess Dominic doesn't like that kind of cheese.
Um,
What kind of cheese do you like?
Cheddar.
Oh, that was mozzarella. Oh, we have cheddar. I'm an idiot. Alright, I'll give you a redo on that one.
No.
It's not gonna be cheese. Final round, by the way, but I need to ask you something.
What?
Does Dominic like pickles?
I heard my name, that's it. The only condiments I like is mustard. I'm pretty positive. He will or he wouldn't? I think he will. I think
Are
he
you
will.
sure? Because
No,
I don't want him to throw up again.
I think he does.
You think he likes it?
I think he likes
okay.
it. I am nervous.
Appendicitis. What if we've designed something wrong? What if our power system fails? If the radiation's too high? If our food starts spoiling? If all sorts of ifs. Toilet stops working. Oxygen system stops purifying. We are absolutely beholden to those things. Whereas if you could get to Mars in a few minutes, they wouldn't matter.
Despite these obstacles in getting to Mars, NASA is pressing on.
Dude, I told you no already.
Too bad.
Dude, I said no. Dude, he's not gonna like it. He's going to gag.
He just said he liked it! Record.
You asked for something different.
Is it mustard?
Let me see it again, Noah. Because I couldn't see it in the light last time.
Brady, what is it?
N. No Lyco.
No,
It's pickle juice mixed with mustard.
I want
no, it's not.
It's mustard.
No, it's not.
It's mustard.
No, it's
I can
not.
smell mustard.
All right, close your
I
eyes.
am not taking.
It's a type
You
of
said
mustard.
You liked mustard. That's
I
why
smell
I
like
got
yellow mustard. Is it like?
He can't take a shot of mustard.
Well,
Is that the spicy brown mustard?
no, that was regular mustard.
He can't just take a
I
shot of
cannot
mustard.
take a shot of mustard.
He's done it too many times. His
Well,
body's
then why'd
starting
you
to get
tell me you liked
sensitive.
it?
I love mustard.
He's done it too many times. His body's starting to get
Well,
sensitive.
I just can't take a shot of mustard anymore. Just a whole shot of it. Like I used to.
Alright. So apparently, guys, this video didn't end. I don't know why. It must have just stopped recording. But anyways, this was just about to happen in the video before. I'm just ending it because you gotta end it. So smash the subscribe button. Hit the like, comment down below anything because we love reading your comments, and Tater Bros X, Tater Bros Y, Tater Bros bye.